In today's video, I'll show you guys how to open Forza Motorsport 7 after installing the game. You can find Forza Motorsport 7 install shortcut on the desktop. Double click on it to press the 3 key in your keyboard and press enter. If you get access is denied, then you must run it as administrator. Right click and select run as administrator and select yes option and press 3 key in your keyboard and press enter. Press 1 key in your keyboard and press enter. And press 4 key in your keyboard and press enter. Press 5 key in your keyboard and press enter. Go to search menu and type Forza Motorsport 7 app. Click on the app and open it. Wait for the game to launch. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And I show you guys how to open next time. Exit the game. After you shut down your PC, next time you want to play the Forza Motorsport 7, then you need to go to search menu and type Forza Motorsport 7. Click on the app and open it. And this is the way you can launch the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.